Hello, in this HTML crash course video, we are going to cover videos. There's a really simple video tag which allows you to provide a source URL. Actually, it doesn't have to just be a URL, essentially a path to the video file. So it can be a URL to another website, so on a CDN, which is a content delivery network, for example, or it could be to the video file on your own system. As with images, is obviously folder specific, so if you haven't seen that video, check out the images video, and I do explain a bit more about using URLs and paths to files. And that is the same whether it's a sound file, a video file, an image file, whether you're doing something like CSS and JavaScript including, or whatever. The principle is exactly the same, thank God. One thing I've just noticed is I spelled my name incorrectly. I put Hussein instead of Hussein. Just fix that. So yeah, let's get started. To do it, like I said, it's very simple. Video tag, and then this has a source. I've got a link right here. I did have a link. Yeah, I've still got it in my copy and paste. What's it called? Clipboard? I think it's called a clipboard. Yep. And if we put space, actually I'm not going to put anything at the moment, just leave it as it is. Now inside here, put your browser does not support the code tags. The video, so this is just illustrating that this is the element that we're referring to. Your browser does not support the code element. You can put whatever you want here. This is just informing the user what they are using cannot display a video for whatever reason. Chances are it's probably an old browser. You shouldn't have this issue, but it's always good to have some sort of warning just in case a user is going onto your website with an old browser for whatever reason, or maybe you can't load, and so they know, so they're not just there thinking, have they done something wrong? Okay, so let's go to our website, refresh, and we've got our video. You might be thinking, it's a crappy looking video, and yeah, in a way it is. It's just a simple video that I found off the internet. So if I right click, I can do show controls, and I can play it. And you might be thinking, okay, what if I want the controls shown by default? You can either do that by adding a control attribute, which doesn't have any parameters whatsoever. Refresh, and as you can see, the controls are shown automatically. If I press the maximize, it maximizes it. The audio is crossed out simply because there's no audio in this video, but if this video had audio, you would be able to hear audio as well. So there you go. That's it for the video tag. Very, very simple stuff. If you have any questions, feel free to post it on my education platform, sonarlearning.co.uk. In the description, there will be a link to the source code of this video and the source code from every other video in this series. If you like the video, please let us know. If you didn't, please let us know as well, so I can improve it for the next time. And as usual, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.